CSS list style is a crucial feature you should learn. Whenever you need to explain or detail a handful of things, making a list is a good idea, because the information is easier to follow and easier to remember, and readers prefer short sentences or blocks of text, and it makes your text more dynamic. As you know, in HTML there are two main types of lists: unordered list and ordered list. The CSS list properties allow you to set different list item markers for ordered and unordered list. Set an image as the list item marker and add background color to list and list items. There are 4 CSS properties to work with lists: list style type, list style image, list style position, and list style. The list style type property specifies the type of list item marker. Here I create 2 lists with some information, and now I want to change list style type for each of them. And I select ordered list by OL tag, type list style, type lower alpha. Now I reload the browser and you can see the change of ordered list item. And now I select unordered list by UL tag and type list style type. List style type square, and reload. And you see the result on the unordered list. And you can remove the list markers by set none-value for list style type property. This value none, and reload. And you see I remove list markers in unordered list. And the next property is list style image. The list style image property specifies an image as the list item marker. I have an image for list markers and it is a tick sign. So I write list style image for unordered list, list style image, and value should be URL, image path or image name, tick.png, and reload. I remove this line, and you see the result of list style image on the unordered list. Next property is the list style position. It specifies the position of the list item markers. You can set inside or outside value for it, and the outside value is the default. Outside means that the bold points will be outside the list item. The start of each line of a list item will be aligned vertically. Inside means that the bold points will be inside the list item. As it part of the list item, it will be part of the text and push the text at the start. Now I want to write this property for the unordered list, so look carefully at this list. List style position and inside value. Reload browser and you see the result, and I change it to outside, and you see the change. And finally you can use list style property as shorthand property. Is used to set all the list properties in one declaration. I remove this line, write list style, square type, inside position, and list style image, tick.png, and I reload browser and you see the result. If one of the property values are missing, the default value for the missing property will be inserted, if any.